The next cup we will test is a double-walled metal cup. So we'll see that the cup itself has a mass of 10.85 ounces. 10.85 ounces. And we'll tare it to bring it down to 0. We'll pour the water in. Start our timer. And we're at a mass of 7.75 ounces. Let's look and see what the mass is. And the mass is 18.40 ounces. 18.40 ounces. Our next test is going to be over the same metal cup that's a double-walled metal cup. However, it will have a lid on it. One closed lid. So the scale is on, and let's see how much it weighs. We are looking at 11.95 ounces without the water in it, just for the cup itself. So let's tare it, and then we'll put the hot water in. And we'll close the lid, get the lid put on there nice and tight. And again, then let's look and see the starting time. We'll go for 10 minutes, and we're at 7.70 ounces. 7.70 ounces for the water mass. Here we go, 10 minutes. So let's look at the mass. The mass of the cup with the water at the end of the 10 minutes of time is 19.6. 19.60 ounces. Another cup that we will test is a styrofoam cup. So here's a styrofoam cup, a single-walled, no lid. Let's see what the mass is. It's coming in at 0.10 ounces. So you could say 0.1 ounces. And we'll tare it to see how much the water weighs. And we can see that the water now weighs 7.65 ounces. We'll start our timer, and we'll wait 10 minutes and see what happens to this weight. We're at the 10-minute mark, so let's see how we're doing on time. We have 10 minutes in, and our weight is 7.60 ounces. That's 7.60 ounces. The next styrofoam cup we're going to test this time is with a lid. So it's a single wall styrofoam cup with a lid. We'll weigh it, and we have, looks like about 0.3, we'll call it at 0.30 ounces. And we'll take this off. Whoops, I'm sorry. We'll tare it. Take the lid off, put the hot water in. Hot water is the same amount of water and the same temperature of water. You can see it steaming there as the other styrofoam cup. We'll put the lid on, and then we'll check its weight, and the weight of just the water is 7.65 ounces total. We'll start our time, and we'll go 10 minutes, and we'll see what happens. At the 10-minute mark, let's check and see where we're at. So the mass of the cup with the water now comes in at 7.90 ounces. 7.90 ounces. Now let's try a double-walled styrofoam cup with a lid and see what happens there. So we'll weigh just the cup, and we have 0.40 ounces just for the cup with the lid. We'll tear it. We'll put the water in. Start our 10-minute timer. Get this lid on. And then let's see what our weight is. So now the water weight is 7.65 ounces. 7.65 ounces. And let's see what happens after 10 minutes of time. We're at the 10-minute mark with a styrofoam cup, so let's check and see when we turn it on what our mass is. We're looking at 8.00 ounces. 8 ounces total with all the water and the cup left at the very end after 10 minutes.